Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Gems and Jewels. I hope you enjoy this project. Today I would like to share with you how I made this home sign. Please stay tuned and I will let you know. All the materials used in this project are in the description box. If you like it, please let me know. If you don't like it, please let me know. Please hit the notification bell for new DIY projects. If you're new to my channel, I ask you to please subscribe and have a look at some of my work. Let me know what you think. If you've been subscribed, thank you so very much. I hope you guys enjoyed your holidays. Let's get started. So here is the picture of how it started. Just a board, like a one that you see that says welcome in somebody's house or outside their door or something. And then the letters are paper mache. The first thing I did was I took this metallic silver paint and I painted the board everything but like a stripe down the middle. So I want to start at this point so you know where I'm at. So I took the silver metallic paint, I painted all the letters, and then here, as you can see, I'm taking the silver diamond confettis and I'm going all the way up from the top and the bottom with one row. And then I put the mirror in the middle. So I would do one row of the diamond confettis and then a mirror, and then I would do 2 rows of the diamond confettis together, and then I would add another mirror. And I tried to keep this pattern up as much as I could with the letters, and on occasion you're gonna have to fill in 3 rows or however big your letters are. Whatever you decide is basically what your pattern will decipher. But this is the one that I tried to stick by as often as possible, just to kind of maintain the same concept. So all I'm doing is I'm hot gluing the diamond confettis on 2 rows at a time, then another mirror, and like I said, 1 row going up and down the H on the sides. So for the middle of the H, this is what this looks like. Now we're at the middle. What I chose to do was use 2 small mirrors, and I just hot glued those in the middle going up and down, one above the other, and put the diamond confettis. So a quick note on the E, I used small mirrors for the short parts of the E. Now for the middle of the sign, I Mod Podged it, and then I took mirror paper and then a little bit of hot glue. I used 4 sheets of the mirror paper and just went all the way from the top to the bottom. I took 5 mirrors, I used E6000 and hot glue, and I spaced them how I wanted to, and I just went down the middle of my board, or my sign. That's what it looked like when and then I went to my letters and I used E6000 and I used hot glue, and I just spaced them how I wanted to on the mirrors. I cut 2 rows of diamond wrap, and on each side of the edge of the mirror, I glued them from the top to the bottom of my sign on each side. I cut 2 more long pieces of diamond wrap and I hot glued them on the edge of the inside of the frame of the sign, all the way up and down from top to bottom. So there were creases from the paper. So to remedy this, I took the diamond wrap, I cut it in little teeny rows. There were 6 creases, and I cut it into 6 diamonds. I hot glued, and then I just put the 6 little diamonds across the crease and erased them. Used glitter stickers, put one in the middle of the space on top and bottom, and did the entirety of the frame. I then took a 1-inch mirror and hot glued it in the middle of that space before my mirrors. I did this on both the top as well as the bottom, and I put it in the diamond, so it looked more like a diamond than a square mirror. Now for the string part, I used the rest of the glitter stickers that I had and just put them across the string just to jazz it up a little bit. This is a close-up of what it looked like when I was finished with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for tuning in to Gems and Jewels. If you have any questions or comments and you want to get in touch with me, my email is gemsjewelsdiy@gmail.com. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. You guys have a fabulous week. Bye.